Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today I want to walk you through this 2019 Sea Ray 21 SPX. This is a boat we have here on brokerage. So we'll walk through this. This is a beautiful Sea Ray blue on the hull side. We got the hull bottom here. Obviously trailer is included with this boat as well. 21 SPX, awesome boat to trailer around and bring to different lakes. Big enough to handle a little bit bigger lakes or rivers, whatever you want to throw at it. Great for the family, plenty of room, got an 8.6 beam on it, so plenty of space. This boat comes standard with the 4.5 250 horse engine, which is what is on this one. You got the stainless steel prop in the back. Love the big swim platform on the back with the sea deck on here and the sea deck that goes all the way through on this walkway. We got a nice boarding ladder on the back, grab handle, 12 volt, and this is where we would hook up a rope for any sort of skiing or tubing or anything like that. So a lot more to see on the interior. Let's go take a look. All right, welcome to the interior of this 21 SPX. This has the dune interior, so nice tan interior. Want to point out real quick here, we got the nice backrest here, so if you're hanging out with the family, you can sit here, watch people swim, and then when you're not using it, it just pops down. This whole thing pops up. You got some storage here. Obviously you got the engine down in there. We've got storage on the floor there, storage there. There's storage here that flips up. And then one of my favorite features is the built-in cooler. So this pops up. You can put your ice. It's got a drain. Awesome place. You got storage here, and then you got place for a carry-on cooler that goes underneath that seat. Seating, L-shaped all the way around. I got a seat here. I've got the co-captain's chair with the bolster seat, and then the matching captain's chair on this side with the bolster as well. Up here at the helm, if you come on in, we've got our nice basic gauges up here. So you got your RPMs, your miles per hour, and then a bunch of other gauges just showing you some of the other things. You got your depth finder. We got a Fusion stereo with 4 Fusion speakers and the Bluetooth in this, so you can hook up your phones, whatever you need. We got the nice steering wheel, again, 4.5, 250 horsepower engine, so plenty of power to bring the whole family around and do anything you want out there. We got storage in the floor. We have the flooring here that is snap in, snap out, so to clean it, really easy to do as well. Nice big storage compartment in here that goes all the way back into here. Plenty of space. Like I said before, I love this boat because of all the storage. Also point out 78 hours, so not a lot of hours on this boat. Still got plenty of life left in it. All right, so we got the bow of this 21 SPX. You've got nice seating all the way around. We got some storage underneath both of these seats. We got a couple cup holders up here. This pops out, easy to step off the boat without having to step on any cushions. I love the 21 SPX. It's a great family boat. Great to bring out. This is a 12-person boat. You can bring out a bunch of friends. You got storage everywhere. It's just a wonderful boat. Again, this boat here is at our Rogers location. It is on brokerage, 2019 21 SPX. So give us a call if you want to come and set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. Thanks a lot.